Hello, everyone. I'm just recording this one to show you how you can load the Windows Server file and do post installation. So first of all, you just extract the file you have downloaded um, from the Moodle, and then you can extract it from here. If you have a 7-zip file or 7-zip software, sorry, you can extract easily. You can extract from here. So 7-zip, you can go download from 7-zip uh, website. So here you can download that uh, file. And after that, you can extract it like this. Once you extracted the file, you load your VMware, uh, my VMware. Yeah, VMware Workstation Pro, or you can even load it in a VMware player. It doesn't really matter which one you're using. Then file open. We are not creating new virtual machine. We just open the previous file. So map to the location that you extracted. So this is the location, and then there you go. You have Windows Server. Once you have a Windows Server, you power it on. And then the first step after powering on your Windows Server is just setting up post installation. Post installation includes server name, workstation, IP address, and the other stuff. So the password of this Windows Server is capital A, lowercase b, lowercase c, @ 1234. Just entering ABC and 1234. So once you log in, you see the server manager. Every time you boot the Windows Server operating system, you see the server manager. After, then you go to local server. Here on the local server, you can change the computer name. So I will change it to, for example, in 2022. And that's the first step that you're doing, asking you to reboot the operating system, but you're not rebooting here because you're going to do one more step or some steps here. The other piece that you should enable it under here is remote management or remote desktop. Enable it under your server so then you can remotely access your server. So from here, you can refresh and see that this one is enabled or disabled. Okay, it's now enabled. The other piece is IP address that you can put it here as 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.1, 10.1, and also under here, DNS put it as 192.168.10.1. So you see that I put the DNS server, the same as the IP address of server. That means that you're gonna install later DNS here on this server. So that's why we put it here 192.168.10.1. And that's my IP address. You can refresh again here to see that what you have changed so far. So we go update. So we're not updating this Windows server, but in real world, we set a schedule here, like at the a specific time to update your Windows server. Um, Microsoft Windows Defender is on. That's okay. Feedback and diagnostics settings. You can help Microsoft to um, have a better version, have to like fix the previous issues and um, bring the new version based on the user feedbacks. IE enhanced security configuration, so that's related to this Internet Explorer. So like whenever you want to reach any website here, it will ask you, okay, you want to, is it a blacklist or a whitelist? So you can add that website here and then you can reach to that website. So this is like, it's managing the cookie of your IE Internet Explorer, but it's not related to Edge. Actually, you can't reach to any website through the Edge. Time zone, you can set a time zone, and product ID is just license that you can put it for your Windows server. Basically, this is the way that you have it. Once you have done, you reboot your operating system like that. And this is like you can put as maintenance. And then your computer name will change. And this is, we call it as post installation. So I'll log in again to show you the computer name is located here. Look, it's been 2022. And the other configuration also listed here. I hope it has been informative and thanks for watching.